I like the things you liked. Para we can do things together. Pinakisamahan ko yung mga tropa mo kahit na minsan alam kong mali na sila at hindi na tama yung impluwensya nila sa'yo. I did your school work for you. Kasi sabi ko nga para ma-inspire ka mag-aral at para mag-good shot tayo sa parents mo. But after 3 years, yun pa rin ang gawain ko sa'yo. I don't mind guiding you, but I'm tired carrying you. Maybe we can't expect someone to change with us for the better if they didn't want to change in the first place. I am Wendy, and I know I deserve better. My love, I do believe dun sa sinasabi nila nga, sometimes when the person is like a dead log, parang patay na kahoy, it's better to leave them behind than see yourself being dragged over and over again. Ito yung mga instances, my love, na ang hirap kasing tulungan yung isang taong ayaw tulungan yung sarili niya. Even with your best intentions, even with all your love, kung yung taong yon wouldn't even move a muscle para baguhin yung sarili niya, yung mali niyang gawain, yung wrong ways niya, hihilain mo lang din yung sarili mo pababa. And sometimes, you have to make the toughest decision. That is to leave that person behind. And hope for the best that you leaving that person will be a wake-up call for them. Kasi minsan, yun na lang yung pag-asa eh. Para yung tao matauhan, kailangan nila ng matinding wake-up call. Even if it means you have to hurt somebody. So Wendy, I know you love this person. I know that somehow you have envisioned a future with this person. You thought while you are in a relationship with him na things will change. Hindi mo naman siya binabago entirely eh. You are trying to encourage him para maging better version niya. Ini-encourage mo siyang para magbago sa mas magandang ways or behavior or habits niya. You are trying to lead him sa right path. Pero yun nga yun, my love, eh. If a person is still reluctant sa pagbabago, if hindi pa rin welcome sa kanila yung thought that they do need to change in the first place, kahit anong effort mo, kahit gaano kabuti intention mo, kahit ilang argument pa yung pagdaanan nyo, hindi ikaw yung makakapagbago ng isip niya. Yung desisyong yon ay manggagaling sa kanya. So my love, lalong-lalo na po sa mga taong nagmamahal. Lalong-lalo na sa mga younger generation siguro, na naiipit sa isang relasyon na they love the person they are with. They want their relationship to last. For them, it's even more painful for them to let go than just hold on. Malay mo kasi next year magbago, malay mo next month umayos na. My love, if it's no longer making you happy, if it's putting a stop, if pinipigilan niya yung development mo bilang isang individual, sa profession man yan, sa school man yan, kung nakakahadlang na siya in any way. And even when you talk to that person, hindi pa rin niya tinutulungan yung sarili niya in the same way para matulungan ka, then my love, it's better if you let it go. Believe me, it's the other way around. Sometimes holding on to a person that doesn't want you moving anything sa mundo nila is even more painful and harder than just letting them go. Tunog, duwag lang siya. Tunog, someone who is selfish lang siya. Pero sometimes letting a person go is the most selfless thing we can do for them. Kasi sabi ko nga sa inyo, minsan kailangan ng tao ng wake-up call. Kailangan nila ng konting untog for them to realize na, hey, I have to wake up. Hindi pwedeng laging ganito. Hindi pwedeng ito na lang ako. Kung yung taong yon na sobrang nagtiyaga sa akin, nagmahal sa akin, umintindi sa akin, bumigay, siguro hindi na sa kanya yung problema, nasa akin na. So, aayusin ko yung sarili ko kahit pa ang maging motivation na lang nila is to prove you wrong. Kahit pa ang maging motivation na lang nila ipakita sa'yo na kaya nilang magbago, na magiging successful sila one day. Kahit yun pa yung maging motivation nila for them to be better. Pero sa perspektibo ng ikaw na nagmamahal, you know deep within you, you did the right thing. Even when it means you have to hurt someone else, and you have to hurt yourself in the process. Because sometimes seeing them soar, seeing them happy and successful, even if it means they will achieve it, they will end there without you. Yun na lang siguro yung source of happiness natin. Us loving them the best way we know how. Giving them a chance, a shot at turning their lives around by hurting them. Kaya Wendy, I know na hindi man sila maniniwala, pero it's just as painful for you katulad nung pain na naramdaman ng taong iniwan mo. But I do understand that you had to do what you had to do. Kasi mas mahirap pag pareho kayong malulugmok. Dahil pinipilit nating baguhin yung isang taong ayaw magbago. Dahil pinipilit nating ayusin yung isang tao na ayaw mag-effort para ayusin yung sarili niya. My love, giving up doesn't always mean you are bad. Giving up doesn't always mean duwag ka. Minsan, giving up a person is the smartest thing to do because fighting for them will only tolerate the wrongdoings na ginagawa nila. Ini-enable lang natin yung pagiging dependent nila sa atin. So, letting them grow is our way of loving them. And that is to set them free. Claro? Claro.